I was really impressed with the torque of the fuel ratchets. It powered rusted nuts and bolts off at first shot.
The fuel ratchet has been a lot more responsive than the air ratchets and have about the same power, if not more. I like not tripping over an air hose when I'm working on a car. It just makes it a lot more efficient.
The fuel ratchet seems very dependable. It has the power and the torque when I need it. Grab the battery out of the charger, plug it in, and start going to work. Using the fuel ratchets, they're not as bulky as some of the air tools out there, and they feel a little more balanced. You can get into tighter areas versus the air ratchet.
Compact design, the head is small, fitted in tight spots.
The compact size of it allows me to get into tighter spaces that I normally wouldn't get into, especially not having a hose attached to the end. I find it to be a lot more maneuverable.
It's more portable, it's more versatile because I don't have to drag an air hose with me.
You can just take the fuel ratchets and go.
I feel that they're really meant for a professional use. They're durable, they're compact, they hold up well in this type of environment.
I have been ridiculously impressed with the fuel ratchet's durability. The quality of the fuel ratchet tool seems to be geared more towards a professional. It holds up to lots of abuse.
I will be replacing my 1/4-inch drive with a Milwaukee fuel ratchet.
I'd use it, and I've been turning a wrench for many, many years, and I haven't found anything better out there that will do what it needs to do.